So let's go ahead and use the X theme to install one of those demo sites. I'm going to go ahead and create a new site, and we'll call this one X Demo. We'll go to my advanced options and we'll use that main blueprint. I'll go into the site admin area. And now what I can do is go to the main X configuration area, come down to demo content, and let's just go ahead and play with that gym site. I'll click setup demo content. Yes, proceed. This is going to take over everything here. And it's going to download all of the images and put them inside of your media folder and set everything up for you. So it could take a little bit of time for all of the images to download. But once they do, we can go ahead and click back on my site, and you can see that we have this gym website all set up. The navigation's been set up. There's even a logo. All of the text works. All of the links work. And there's even custom posts. All kinds of stuff has already been set up for you. So this is an incredible way to get up and running and to be able to kick the tires and check everything out. All right, and let's be honest, we just built a fully functional, highly dynamic website in under 2 minutes. That's insane. I know it took us a while to get up to this point, but let's say you were able to turn this into a career and sell websites to other clients. These websites that we're creating are worth anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 or more. I have charged personally that much money when I build websites. I'm not promising that you can make that kind of money, but what I'm saying is there is value here, real tangible value that you can sell to your clients. So this is an incredible time to create websites and to be a part of this online ecosystem. So I just get really excited, and I just wanted to point that out to you that we just created a fully functional website in no time at all. So that goes back to the discussion we had about paying for premium themes. Now I know that a lot of the legwork that we just did was basically done by using Local by Flywheel. I get that. But also importing that demo content from X, and I think that Divi does something very similar. So sure, you might have to spend $60 or maybe even $90 to get into this market, but the barrier to entry is so little when you think that if you had to code all of this from scratch or create it yourself, you might be spending $20,000 or more just to get to where we're at and what we've been able to do in under a couple minutes. So just wanted to point that out and bring that to your attention because this is an incredible opportunity.